can you give us a little introduction of yourself?
Ji, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Usman Kaisar and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of UNI Group, which is J Dot and host of other brands.
Oh, amazing. Very nice to meet you. I'll just ask a couple of questions.
Yeah.
My first question is, who's a mentor who has shaped how you think so far?
Well, there are so many. In advertising, my mentor was Moin Qureshi, who wrote The Rhythm of Unity. And there are so many. There are so many. Mudassir Bilal Malik was one of the really, he's like an elder brother to me. Amna Alam is one of them. And then when I joined the brand side, Ali Habib was the one who convinced me to join banking. He's now the Chief Marketing Officer of HBL. Then when I joined Bank Al Falah, so Ali Mustansar is like a dear friend, an elder brother, and my real mentor. He taught me everything about what great marketers do. Maria Maga is one of them. She is my mentor, and she is like my elder sister as well. And there are so many mentors. You know, you have different mentors in different walks of life. Anwar Maqsood Saab is one of them. I treat him as a teacher. Sarmad Ali Saab is one of them. I'm so fortunate. I'm honored and I'm blessed. Umar Khan Saab has always been my guiding light throughout the year, throughout my life actually. So when I joined Jubilee Insurance, I was there for 8 years as well. So Javed Ahmed Saab and Sohail Fakhr Saab are like beacon for that kind of understanding for that particular market. I recently joined J Dot. It's been 8 months and I'm enjoying it thoroughly. I didn't know about it, but Alhamdulillah, 6 companies, 6 different kind of flavors, 6 different types of pressures. I'm loving it. Yeah. So there are so many mentors, and you need to have one guiding light and so many mentors in your life because you need to have that kind of and Faraz bhai, I cannot forget him, Faraz Khan sahab, who is MBE as well. He has been tremendous support throughout my life.
Lovely. I'm
Not
so glad.
just one, so many. Fortunate to be part of the council, executive council of PAS since last 9 years. This is my 10th year.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, everyone who came over here as well, from Ali Mustansar to Asif Aziz to Farheen to Dr. Zila, so many.
And last question is that what's a 3-word advice that you'd like to give to young marketeers, speaking of mentorship?
First be clear, then be clever. Clarity is of the essence.
Yeah.
We need to have clarity of thoughts, clarity of mind, and whatever we do, advertising, we say agency is as good as clients,
Yeah.
but I say outcome is as good as brief.
Absolutely.
So your brief needs to be precise. You need to know who are you talking to, what are you talking about, and where are you placed.
Absolutely. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Lovely.
much.